Avalanche coin Avax becomes the dominant focal point with its state-of-the-art Avalanche agreement, mixing confirmation of work and evidence of stake for fast exchanges and adjustable subnets. Avax stands apart for high throughput, interoperability, and eco-accommodating innovation, denoting its presence in the unique universe of decentralized finance. Assuming you're searching for Avalanche cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Avalanche Avax will go from here on out, we will investigate the previous costs of Avalanche Avax and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally unimaginable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Avalanche outline. Avalanche coin, frequently contracted as Avax, is a decentralized stage that works with the creation and trade of computerized resources and applications. Avalanche coin hangs out in the realm of cryptographic forms of money with its imaginative Avalanche agreement, high throughput, and adjustable subnets. As blockchain innovation keeps on developing, Avalanche prepares for adaptable, energy-productive, and interoperable arrangements. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Avalanche is $38.37 and Avax is at present positioned #11 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Avalanche is 392,829 to 731 with a market cap of $1571, 817, 150. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.97% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. From most recent 7 days, the Avax was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 449%. Avalanche has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. We anticipate future Avalanche cost expectations Avax conjecture by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of Avalanche. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the Avax coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Avalanche market cap, Avalanche volume, and hardly any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Avalanche value expectation rundown. Avalanche cost figure proposes a chance of Avax exchanging between $72.76 to $87.30 in 2025. Avalanche is at present evaluated at $38.37 on the lookout. In a bullish situation, Avalanche could outperform the $43.766 mark for 2050, exhibiting expected vertical energy. There is potential for Avalanche cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as $527.42 toward the finish of 2030. Experts project a bullish pattern for Avalanche in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $30.270 mark. Avalanche value expectation 2024. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at least degree of $49.48 in 2024. The Avalanche cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $58.27 with the typical cost of $51.50 all through 2024. Avalanche value expectation 2025. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $72.76. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $87.30 with the typical worth of $74.82. Avax value estimate for 2026. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $103.62. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $126.48 with the typical exchanging cost of $106.61. Avalanche Avax value forecast 2027. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $151.09 in 2027. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $179.17 with the typical exchanging cost of $156.42 all through 2027. Avalanche value expectation 2028. The cost of one Avalanche is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $215.7 in 2028. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $262.58, with the typical cost of $222.89 all through 2028. Avalanche Value Forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2029 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at least degree of $308.69. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $375.16, with the typical exchanging cost of $317.60. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2030 the cost of Avalanche is determined to be at around a base worth of $435.52. The Avalanche value worth can arrive at a limit of $527.42, with the typical exchanging worth of $448.22 in USD. Avalanche value gauge 2031. Avalanche cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $627.09 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $773.20, with the typical figure cost of $645.02. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2032. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $932.55 in 2032. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $182, with the typical exchanging cost of $964.80 all through 2032. Avalanche Value Forecast 2033. Avalanche cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $1,409 in 2033. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $1,631, with the typical estimate cost of $1,457. Avalanche Value Gauge 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is vital, however opinion can be flighty. Inspecting current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, however taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the greatest cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach $30,270, with a typical exchanging worth of $26,874. The base cost is projected to be around $25.67. Avax Value Estimate for 2050. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the intrinsic vulnerabilities in the digital currency market. Broadening and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key methodologies for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our Avax cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with a most extreme cost of $43,766, while the base value worth of an Avalanche can be around $38,796, with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $40,734 approximately. Avalanche Value Conjecture Facts. What is the eventual fate of Avalanche? The fate of Avalanche is profoundly subject to